Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the Amazfit to at least 50% and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Zepp app and sign in or make an account. This stores settings and backups. Once done, power on the watch and choose your language. This triggers its discoverable mode. In the app, tap Add Device, pick your watch model, and allow Bluetooth permissions. You do this now so the phone and watch can find each other and exchange initial data securely. You continue by selecting the exact watch model in Zepp and either scanning the watch QR or accepting the on-screen pairing code. This verifies the device. Make sure you grant required permissions, location for BLE scanning, notifications to mirror alerts, and contacts if you want call info. Once the phone confirms pairing, allow the initial data sync. This transfers watch firmware info and settings. During this sync, choose units and a watch face so the device reflects your preferences immediately. You finish by verifying that the final sync completed and then test notifications and call alerts to confirm real-time communication. If Zepp prompts a firmware update, install it and then restart both the watch and phone to stabilize connections. Make sure background app refresh and battery optimizations do not restrict Zepp. If something goes wrong, try this one troubleshooting tip. Toggle Bluetooth, reboot both devices, and retry pairing. This clears common BLE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.